Hi, welcome to Gulfstream Inc. Today we are featuring the Mira Pedicure Spa. We are excited to introduce to you a new feature on this chair. It is the OneJet. It is 100% disposable, hygienic, and recyclable. Now I'm going to show you how to install the OneJet system. You will need three things: a spa liner, the OneJet, and the O-ring. First, you take your spa liner, open it up, and line your spa. Once you have lined your spa correctly, take the O-ring, wrap it around the nozzle. Once it is secure, just take your index finger, stick it in the hole, and then there you go. Punch a hole, and then you're good and set. Once the O-ring is secure, take the disposable OneJet and attach it to the motor. Once everything is secure, especially the OneJet, you can proceed as usual and start filling your spa with water. But remember to fill it up only above the OneJet, just a little bit, to about right here. The most beautiful thing about the OneJet is everything is disposable. Once you have finished your spa treatment, just take the liner, wrap it up in one motion. Since everything is disposable, you can just throw everything away. Today we're introducing to you the Mira and some of its new features. One of the new features of this chair is this footrest. It comes with two panels and a beveled footrest, adjustable for many people with different heights. There are 4 ways you can adjust this footrest. This is one way, just like so. Secondly, you can lift this up and there's a lever, and you just insert this pin right into this hole. And there you go, it's very sturdy, and you do the same thing for this side. And that's number 2. Number 3 is you would take these levers down, twist it around like so, outward, and then this is a third way that you can use the footrest. Another way you can use this footrest is lift this panel up and open up the lever, insert the pin into the hole, and it'll be sturdy. Do the same thing for the other panel. And there you go. Completely adjustable for many people of different heights.